Hey, good morning, guys. This is Jeffrey with Fair by Trade. It is August 6th, 2024, a little after 10, about 10:18, and we are looking at the Nasdaq again, like we did yesterday. Um, and we're looking for some type of trade. All right, so let's see what we can find. We make sim trade, funded trade, live trade. We'll see which one has the best opportunity, and let's take a look. All right, what are you guys trading? What are you guys looking at? Are you trading today? Yesterday was crazy. So if you're looking for some redemption, it may not be a bad idea as the market moves a little slower. All right. As you can see, this was a pretty good possible entry here. Maybe take profit up here, maybe up here, first profit here, maybe take profit here. I don't know, but this probably would have been a good trade I would have taken. So yeah, let's take a look, and we're looking at other markets as well, the ES, the Russell. So just keep your eyes open, protect your capital, always have your stop loss, and just make sure you place a trade. I mean, I'm looking at the Nasdaq. I don't know if I'm liking this play or not. It's I kind of want to see what it's gonna do. Look, consolidation. If it closes, it's just so much time here. It could just keep going up, but because it's a minute and it's rising, we could have this area as resistance. We kind of saw something like this yesterday, where it came up and it bounced back down. So be careful. I mean, even the Russell is. This was the trade. Honestly, I got in right a little too late, but this is a good trade right here. Long. That'd have been a good trade. Let's see. Where else? The ES is kind of following the Nasdaq, so you gotta be careful on that. Let's see. I'm trying to see who else is making some moves. What about the Dow? Anybody looking at the Dow? Ooh, the Dow's pretty. Not a bad trade in the Dow. Yeah, you gotta be careful. Not a bad trade in the Dow at all. I'm thinking about pulling the trigger on this Nasdaq. Glad I didn't. And the only reason I was thinking about pulling the trigger is with the momentum. It didn't clear this. It didn't make a new high. So I was kind of weary. But let's see where it wants to come down to. Yeah, let's just see. Let's see. Nasdaq is still just kind of doing this thing. But look at the Dow. I mean, broke out here pretty nicely. If you guys hear baby in the background, it's real baby. So if anybody took the breakout above here, obviously getting hurt a little bit. But it's not the end of the world. If you have to stop somewhere, honestly, maybe midway or here. But yeah, this is why don't we sim it? You can always sim something, right? So this is the Dow. And we're going to sim it accurately. So let's wait more like a B setup. But let's see where this candlestick closes. Yeah, as you see, it's coming down. So maybe scalping would have been a quick thing, right? You can try to scalp it. Got a quick stop. And honestly, let's see. I mean, didn't make a red bar at the top here, so it could come back down, but we just don't know. But I like the trade because that bar closed at the top half of that big green bar. So let's see if it's going to just hit my first target, which would be amazing. There we go. And put this in break even. And on the Nasdaq here, remember that 60% breakout. I'm trying to figure out if I want to clear this up. Let's move this. Let's know how that Russell turn out. Yeah, let's go. Let's see what 475. Yeah, I guess I got to stop here at 320. Let's see if this wants to juice up, or honestly, if it wants to hit that resistance area and come down. I'm okay with taking maybe profits into this blue area. It doesn't necessarily have to be at the top if it makes it. Oh, it didn't make it. All right, didn't make it. Still with the trend. Obviously, it's resistance up here. Still with the trend though. All right. So that's our first trade. So we'll look for another one, guys. right, as you can see, still down. Didn't make any more trades. Still down 320, and it is fallen indeed. Probably should not have made that trade. You know, a little late to the game if I did do that trade, but let's see where these boys wants to go. All right, may continue dropping like it did yesterday. Just never know. All right, so let's see. All right, I want to give him a shot. Give him a shot. Hopefully to come up to the 20. Let's see if that's what he wants to do, or if he wants to say no, forget you, Jeffrey. I'm still going to continue down. So let's just see where he wants to be. It's all love either way. Either way, it's all love. So let's see what you got. You want to jump up, Nasdaq? Come on, Nasty Nas. Let's go. Let's get back to that red line, which is a 20. There we go. I would love for you to put me in profit a little bit. Oh. Okay, so it did hit, it looks like. I'm assuming. So let's see. I actually like this trade here. At least up into the 20. Let's see if it's gonna give me what I want. I like the trade. Let's see if the trade likes what I did. But I do like the trade. Here we go. Not bad. All right. And it can very well continue to go up, but recover pretty nicely, right? Yeah, recover pretty nicely. And look at this thing go. Yeah, it's a beautiful thing. So we're up to 55, and I mean, if anybody's okay with that, I did 3 trades. I have a feeling that if I continue trading, I may lose the rest of it. So let's keep it at 255 for the day. We've only been, what, 20 minutes, maybe? All right, so if you're disappointed, sorry for you, but we're gonna post a trade anyway. I made a mistake, learned a lesson, made a couple of good trades. So what is that? Yeah, 2 wins, 1 loss. Not a crazy day. Look at this go. I hope somebody else took this trade and caught this setup here and just rocked with it. Right, this is the one I missed. This is the one I took here. If you go back and you look at the video, it's probably a dumb trade, but I got excited. I took it, took a loss, waited for the next setup, and look where it went. All right, a couple of factors I looked at to feel comfortable taking this trade, but man, it was a beautiful trade. Yeah, it was a beautiful trade. Look what happened on the ES. Very similar on the ES. That was a very good looking trade. Let's see, on the YM, very good looking trade. And good boy Russell, perfect trades. This one here, very good looking trades. And it worked out. It really did. It really did, guys. All right, we're gonna post this video. Man, let me know how I did. If you like it, if you don't like it, you know, I accept all feedback. I accept all criticism. This is a lifetime thing. It wouldn't matter if you said anything negative anyway. It doesn't matter. Everybody have their own journey, their own strategy, their own setup, their own mistakes, their own flaws. And it's a lifetime thing, man. So we're going to trade forever. This is Fair by Trade. Let's go.